What's up, my Beeteen family? We're about to snack attack TikTok's craziest creations. Excited, right? Let's go. First up, we have the rainbow sour belt nachos. Yeah, you heard that right. Picture this: tangy sour belts piled high, drizzled with gooey marshmallow sauce, and sprinkled with popping candy. Yummy. Not bad as 6/10, it's a carnival in your mouth. Next on the menu, the flaming hot Cheetos sushi. Sounds crazy? It is. Creamy avocado and spicy tuna all rolled up in a crunchy, fiery Cheeto crust. It's like a sushi roller coaster, and your taste buds are in the front seat. Not a sushi person, I will rate 5/10, and last but definitely not least, the Nutella bacon sandwich. Sweet meets savory in the most epic way possible. Imagine crispy bacon slathered with rich chocolatey Nutella. Who doesn't like chocolate Nutella, all sandwiched between two fluffy slices of bread? 10/10, your breakfast just leveled up. So there you have it, Snack Squad. 3 TikTok treats that are totally worth the hype. Let's have your rating of each in the comment. Which one are you dying to try first?